You guys ready? Let's go.
What are you wearing?
All right, fine. Boom! All right, let's go. 4292 Kahala Avenue. This is $8.5 million, which is why we're,
Wearing $1 million clothes.
Sorrow. Have you ever been to an $8 million property?
Yeah.
I have not.
You're a liar.
When?
We've been to like the estate in Coachella.
Oh, well, not on the market. So here, dude, look at this. Come. Ooh.
Wasn't this house like featured on Hawaii 5-0 or something?
Yeah, this was on Hawaii 5-0. We're going there today.
Hell yeah. How many bedrooms is this?
This is, let's see, 4 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, 3 parking, on Hawaii 5-0. Well, let's go check it out. Let's
AJ, where are we now?
We are at 4292 Kahala Avenue. Well, on the side of it, we're actually at this empty lot. Let me know if you have a buyer. A lot of potential.
It's a reunion.
Oh, what's up?
Want to see out of the camera pool?
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
We're out here today at 4292 Kahala Avenue. I just
Wait, no,
under.
All right, cool. So this is a 2-car garage and a third right next door, but it looks like they're using it for storage and like a mini gym. But if you turn around right here, this driveway is enormous. I think you could fit 1 more car over. This car, another one, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars. So if you're trying to throw a mansion party, you fit 8 cars here. Make sure to invite us and we'll have some fun.
We're really fun parties. I swear.
She said up here is like a loft. They use it for like a game room. Oh, I see. Here's where the laundry is. This is cool.
Should we take our shoes off or no?
And this is separate from the house. Cool.
Oh, I can see why it's a game room.
Yeah, or office, I see. Yeah, game room, theater, whatever you want. So here's the entrance. Wow, amazing. So right away you can see front to back. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, go for it, yeah.
You can be in our YouTube video too if you want. Double doors, huge. I think it's like 7-foot doors. It's kind of loud because they're playing background music, but the music's actually coming from speakers installed into the ceiling. And I believe there's surround sound throughout the whole entire house, which is super cool. Here's all the information about the house. Sick. And then over there's the living room and the kitchen. We'll go there later. But you come over here, you can see behind me, kind of in the middle of the house, lounging area, backyard. We'll head over there later. Awesome. But we'll go this way.
She's in the bathroom. I'll take over for once. Looks like we are in a separate sitting place. Very nicely done. I don't think this is supposed to be a...
Oh, dude, what did you do?
My fault.
I think we lost Jay, guys, but we'll try fine.
I mean, this place is big enough to lose him.
Here is downstairs powder room.
Whoa.
You know, this is where the powder goes on.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, there's Jay. Jay, where are we right now?
In a house, the bathroom.
No, in this room. This is the
bathroom.
powder room.
Wow.
This is like a resort. Wow.
Yeah, it reminds me of like a villa.
Oh, look at this guy. Got an $8.5 million house in Kahala. And look who I see. Is that Michael Wong? Oh, whoa. That's real.
That's a real mimosa.
That's a real mimosa.
Chill.
I thought that was fake. Oh man, I love the shower. There's 3 shower heads. Wow, or 4.
This is your video.
All right, are we going to next?
We were just on the left side of the house. Now we're going to the right side of the house, which is the kitchen and the living room. Cool. If you stand right here, your view of like your entire property is so awesome. So you have house, house, house. You're like enclosed. It's like very private. You can sunbathe over here, do yoga.
Beautiful. Thank you. Just comes out. I'm an avid wine drinker, actually.
I love wine.
I love wine.
So up there is actually an infinity pool, which we'll go later. But behind the camera, this is like a guest house.
This guest house like is really prepared for any type of guest. They have a crib.
It is.
I've counted 3 different laundry machines. Garage.
Just in case it's too far. I feel like doing laundry here.
You can never have enough clean clothes.
Doing laundry in the garage, you know.
What's over there?
There's one in that bathroom too.
There's a bathroom in there.
Oh, bathroom. Okay. Dang, the guest bathroom better than my bathroom.
On top of us is the upstairs, and then will be the pool.
Prepare for battle.
Finish him.
Oh, by the way, this is Pua. This is our friend. She's a lender.
Hi, I'm a Veterans Mortgage Source.
Oh, way to plug. Big mattress. Dude.
You know what this is? You ever read that book, Princess and the Pea?
Yeah.
I can't sleep here.
High possibility there.
Has its own bathroom. That's cool. There's 2 up here and then a guest.
This is where we
Is that
are.
us right here?
Oh, I think that's us.
So horrible representation.
Oh, 2 bedrooms here.
Oh wow, this is kind of a nice closet. This is for the older under bathroom.
The AC's, it's a separate AC.
All of them split, dude. It's not split.
Spoiled.
It's
I really like their
Central.
Split central.
split central.
So there's 3 bedrooms upstairs.
Walk-in closet.
He's a DJ, so big distraction. Okay, I like this room.
So there's 1 bedroom here, 3 up here.
There's one downstairs
The
too.
master, that's 5.
Are they counting the other, the loft as a bedroom maybe?
I would think so. Yeah. That's better. Fifth grade.
Oh my goodness.
Dude.
You went that tall?
Grade?
Bro.
I was probably that tall 5th grade.
And you just...
So what do you guys think about the house?
Amazing.
Right?
Great.
Super nice.
8.5 million.
8.5 million.
Yeah.
Had its own guest house.
I feel like I was in Bali.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it had the Bali theme.
It didn't look like it because what the lot was at 4,000, 5,000 feet, but it looked really secluded. Like you could definitely entertain there.
And like the way it's set up, it's like, I feel like it's designed to like If you have entertainment or a party, it's like, it keeps everyone inside, you know? Like in the center.
I mean, the center of the house was kind of the focal point of it too.
Yeah.
Because like
That lawn.
Because when you walk in, you just see the guest house and the lawn and the pool. It's just you just want to look at everything from the center of the house.
Oh yeah. They definitely throw parties over there. You guys saw the subwoofer speakers?
definitely.
The speakers?
Yeah, in the entertainment room by the pool.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, what a cool setup.
And apparently it was on Hawaii Five-0.
Oh yeah.
What episode?
Dang. I don't know. We gotta check it out.
You know.
If the owners are watching this video, hey, contact us. We really want to party with you guys.
Sick house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But hopefully we find a buyer too. So.
Yeah. I mean, we won't party at that house.
Yeah.
Whatever house you have next.
But if you let us, we'll party.
Yeah. If anyone watching this wants to buy this house, contact me right here or up here.
Here.
You know.
Here.
Oh,
We didn't do the thumbnail.
we forgot to take a thumbnail picture.
Well,
Whatever. Okay, we're gonna pose right now for a thumbnail. So just like point for this right here. Okay.
cool.
Should we put that in the video?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put that in the video.
We need a thumbnail.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, big thank you to the listing agent Tania. She is with Luxury Homes, but I'll put all of her information down below in the description as well. Big shout out to her. She was super friendly. She let us be stupid with all of our recording.
She let me use the restroom.
Oh yeah,
That's
that's a
right.
big one too. All right, cut.